Hello, how are you? Engineer Muhammad Waleed here. Today I will tell you that how we can install the Primavera P6 22.12 version and what are the benefits of the 22.12 version in the project management. Okay, I will send the link in the description. So Primavera P6 22.12. Once you have to install the WinRAR first because WinRAR is very much important. Once you will open this file, you will see that a P6 Pro R 22.12. Just only drag here and then just left your click here and then yes, okay, and replace the file destination. Once you will see that your file will come here, you will see the option here like that, or only you will see this file. Open this file and then select these three files and just drag it here. Okay, so once you will drag these files here, after dragging these files, you will replace the file destination. Now open your professional Primavera P6 setup. Select the typical and select on the OK. Ready to install the Primavera P6 in professional. You can install it. And yes, you should have to wait until it get installation. Okay. You should click on the run database configuration. Click on the OK. After clicking on the OK, it will ask you either you want to select my database configuration or you want to my use or you want to PMD. Always remember one thing, if you don't have a database, then you should create your own database. But you will select here Oracle. You don't have to select here Oracle. Always remember that before installation of the Primavera P6, you should have to always select the Primavera P6 Professional SQLite. It is important. Now select your database. If you don't have a database, click on the add option and write here database like engineers database. After engineers database, you should have to convert it into the SQLite. It is very much important. After it, don't add a connection to an existing. Click on add a new connection, a standalone database and do next. After next, you can write your name, like I will write my name here, Engineer Waleed. You should have to remember your name and write the password here. 5 and right here 1 2 3 4 5. Do next. After next, either you want to load the sample data. It is important. I don't want to copyright on the same database. So what I will do, I will change my location. I will put into the Power BI or new folder. And sorry, already I have a database in the new folder. What I will do, I will put my database into the 3D or I will put my database into the ETAB data and do it save. File name WA, save. Load sample data, do it unchecked and do it save. After save, your alias is saved successfully. Make it close. And what you will do it only close. After closing it, your P6 Professional has been installed in your laptop. What you will do, you will just open your search bar and right here P6 Professional is looking on the top. Open it. After open it, okay, you should have to wait. You can see that on which database you are running. Here is the advanced option. In the advanced option, your database is the engineers database. Okay, what I have created the engineers database. Click here and write here the password what you have given and connect it. You can see that invalid username. You should have to give the username or login name what you have already selected, like Engineer Waleed. I think so. E was small, but let me check here. Again, invalid. It's coming. I will also tell you. I will also learn you that again invalid. It's coming here. Now what I will do? I will select this one, and then because the lower database, I think so, this one was our database. Now I will connect it. Okay, so after connection, you can see that your software has been opened. It is asking you the appropriate industry for your organization has not been yet selected. Definitely we are engineers and you have to select the industry where you are working. It is important. You should go to the admin. You should go to the admin categories. Okay, or admin preferences. After the admin preferences, you should go to the industry and you should have to select the engineering and construction and do it close. And you change our industry selection. I will say yes. Now let me show you that what are the advantages of the 22.12. Here I will open my database. I will open my database because I don't need such database. It is my database because I have already saved my database and I will write here the password. And my name is admin. Here the database name is username is admin and I will connect it. After connection, one more thing what I will teach you, I will tell you here. Here you are watching the different project. Once I will open a big project before you, like, sorry, revise cluster 3. What is the basic advantage of the 22.12? The basic advantage of the 22.12 is that you can easily do the check schedule report. You can use the 14-point DCMA. This is the 14 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So why these 14 points? It will show you that how many predecessor and successor you have missed in your project, how much negative lags you have you have added in your project. Negative lag means that lead. It is very much important. How much positive lag? It means that how much lag, how much delay you have provided in your project. And I will tell you in the field and how much PMI allow us to give the project. How much allow us? That how many relationship, the majority of the relationship should be finished to a start. It is not necessary. It depends upon the project to project. That how much you have assigned the relation finished to start or whatever. How many constraints you have applied. Soft constraints, large float, negative float, large duration, invalid progress dates, resource, late, and based on execution index. The based on execution index have minimum value is 0.95. If your contractor is going fast from your task, it will be more than 1. And it is good because it is going more fast from your track. But if it is less than 1, it means that you are in delay and we are using this one, that symptom at the time of execution. When we run our project at the site in the Primavera P6, it shows us in the execution where we should go to the delays, we should go to the claims. Now let me open the other thing. These are the some of the supporting files like MRS analysis. In this analysis, you can see very easily the quantity description, rate analysis, and each labor has been given and their productivity has been given with the above quantity. Same as you can see here the rate analysis. In the rate analysis, first of all, you should have to create the measurement sheets and their rate analysis, that how much masons, laborers, water carrier, and this one has been used. Let me show you the some other MEP sheets. This is the some mechanical, electrical, and plumbing sheet. Here also the production rate for MEP activity has been given. The previous was about the civil engineers. Now the MEP, mechanical and the electrical engineers. In this course, I will also discuss some of the Excel templates like Excel EVM templates. What it will definitely help you about the cost control, about the EVM templates. Because the EVM has different terminologies like BAC, EAC, ETC, SV. Okay, so you can see that EVM terminology. These are the terminologies regarding budget, planned value, earned value, actual cost, cost variance, schedule variance, cost performance index, and SPI. This also should be one. This is also one of the good terminology that is actually show us in the Primavera and we will use as the supportive file. So this is the method to install the Primavera. And how you can do the dashboards, creating the dashboard by using Power BI. It is some of the good option. These are some of my projects. Let me show you my projects. This is the projects by me. Okay. Projects by engineer Waleed. These are my projects. Some of the project what I have done with the different companies. My NHA project, data for NHA. I have done this project like dualization of Old Banu Road. I have done. Let me show you the Rakni Baker Road. I have done also the FWO project, Rakni Baker Road, Balochistan. I have also done with it. Okay. So thank you. So this is all the method that how you can install the Primavera P6 project management 22.12. Okay. Thank you very much.